If you buy a $250,000 home with a typical mortgage, your final price tag could be over twice that amount. Ready to uncover the real cost? Let's start simple. What is a mortgage? It's like renting a home from a bank, but instead of monthly rent, you pay back the loan plus interest over time. Imagine buying groceries with a credit card. You get what you want now, but owe more later, right? Mortgages work similarly, except it's your home and over 30 years. Now here's where most people get surprised. Over 30 years, you don't just pay back what you borrowed. You pay interest too, which can double or triple your total cost. Let's debunk a common myth. Longer terms always save you money. While lower monthly payments sound good, they can lead to paying much more in total due to extended interest. For example, a 30-year loan at 4% on $250K means you'll pay about $179,678 in interest alone. That's like buying an entire house again. This matters because it affects your monthly budget and financial flexibility for other goals, like retirement or travel. So next time you think about buying a home, remember, the sticker price is just the start. The real cost over 30 years can be eye-opening. Stay curious about how money truly works. Money Mechanics decodes the system they never taught you. Subscribe to learn more and make informed decisions.